Vreau să povestim astăzi cu reprezentantul SIS Pitches în România într-un interviu exclusiv ce fac, cine sunt și de ce sunt aici în primul rând. So, why are we here?
To install a hybrid sports pitch. So on this pitch here we're currently stitching at 145, so 145 millimeters. It's called a hybrid pitch, which is basically a combination between our hybrid and natural grass. So we'll stitch into the natural grass, and then over time the natural grass roots will bind onto the plastic, which makes it very durable. Also, the benefit would be that the natural grass will then stand up alongside the plastic. So the plastic might get run down with a boot, but naturally it comes straight back up. So the grass will follow suit. It's also really good for the undersoil profile because we're creating holes, so it allows oxygen in, water in, drainage. So there are whole heaps of benefits. The biggest one is durability. But at SIS we're the fastest. We have the most options for depth, so we have 45, 80, 110, 145 and 180.
So another question is, who is SIS Grass?
We're part of SIS Pitches. So SIS Pitches are an overall sports, so it's support in sport. We install hybrid, natural, 3G, all sorts all around the world, but we're an offset to that, which is SIS Grass. So we're only hybrid. So we travel the world and install hybrid like we do here.
Can you tell me some reference in Europe or maybe in the world where you did this work?
So this year we've been to San Siro, Galatasaray, Barcelona, Chelsea training ground, and many, many more.
So you are the best?
Yes, we are the best.
So why did you choose to work with us in Romania?
So we have a partnership with SIS Eastern Europe. So they will reach out to contractors like yourself that are professionals in natural grass, and then they'll reach out to us that are professionals in hybrid grass, and then we can create a partnership and hopefully install hybrid pitches all around that country. So for example, Turkey has been a huge year this year for SIS Eastern Europe and SIS Grass, and we hope that after this pitch we will follow suit in Romania.
How many years we can play on a pitch with SIS Grass?
It all depends on your maintenance schedule, but we say between anywhere 5 to 8 years. So the benefit of hybrid is you can still have your standard maintenance program that you would anyway, and all we're doing is adding to the longevity of it.
We need to make something different?
No, you can follow your normal maintenance routine, which is the benefit. You don't have to change how you would look after a normal pitch. We just add to it. And because we stitch below your height of natural grass, your natural grass will always sit on top. So to the eye, once the grass has grown, you won't know that it's been stitched, but the playability you will know.
Okay. The players will have the same feeling on the pitch?
So at first, it will feel slightly different because you can feel that it's a little bit harder underneath your foot. But again, once the natural grass grows, you won't be able to tell unless you really look at it. I've personally heard from experience that they may get on it and it feels a little bit different, but actually as soon as you start playing, you won't know. And also because obviously we've stitched the whole pitch, you get a nice even finish. We cut at the same height, and then your natural grass will grow above it.
How the machine is working?
So this is our hybrid plastic. So this is what we call yarn, and that will be fed through the tubes of the machine, through the drum. The knives will then cut it at the desired height. For example, here is 145. It will cut it, it will then be clamped into the drum, follow through with the drum, and then we have our needles that basically stitch that plastic into the ground at the desired depth. And then as we go through, we would then follow it with a mower and cut it down to the desired height.
Let's talk about the difference between SIS Pitches and other companies who are making hybrids.
So these are brand new for this season. These are called the Pro X. They are the fastest within hybrid stitching. They offer the most choices on depth, spacing. The quality is better than you'll see on any other machine. We've got 2x2 at all times, and then you just change it per depth. So if you wanted 2x2 and then 1.5, we can offer that. So it's very variant for different clubs. So affordability, soil profile, what you want to benefit from the pitch, we can offer it all. I'd say the biggest advantage with the new innovation of the pros is how fast we can install a pitch. We could install a football pitch within 5 days.
5 days?
Yeah, and we can do it in between matches. We've had a few stadiums where we would install half the pitch, they'd have a game and then we'd come back on. But yeah, we can install within 5 days with 2 machines. So we're the fastest in the world.
What message do you want to share for the Romanian clubs or Romanian municipalities?
We've been very privileged to come here and install this hybrid pitch. We're very happy with the quality, very happy with the product. We've really enjoyed working with you guys, your knowledge, your helpfulness, your friendliness, and then hopefully the other clubs will see the benefit, and you will see the benefit because they are unbelievable. Especially with these Pro X, they're life-changing when it comes to hybrid installations. Yeah, we would look forward to working in other football stadiums in Romania or other sports clubs, and you will see the benefits.
Okay, thank you, and
No worries.
we are waiting you to the next game.
Yeah.